Are you excited? We're gonna have a complete dinner in 20 minutes. Fish tacos are coming!
It was taco day the other day, so we're gonna go with the tacos.
Yes, as a matter of fact, I put it in my calendar. Taco day was October the 4th. So happy belated taco day. And we're gonna have tacos today.
Woo!
But not only that.
What?
The tacos, they're gonna be with the Mexican rice and refried beans in 25 minutes. Let's get the rice first so then we can start working in our beautiful fish, fresh and nice. And then we're gonna work on the refried beans that it takes 3 minutes. Let me show you my big helpers in the kitchen. My rice cooker and my chopper. All we're gonna need here is, this was an onion that I have in the refrigerator that I previously used. So we're gonna cut about 3/4 of it. And I'm gonna put it on my electric chopper. And we're gonna use half of a garlic clove. Let's put them in here. Put it here. Put your garlic. And let's go. A simple recipe of rice, I bring it to the next level, adding up this little touch which is gonna make it taste way better. Let's put some vegetable oil in here. Don't use olive oil because it will change the flavor of your rice. So let's pour just a little bit because we're gonna go ahead and saute our onions with the garlic. Let's get them going. Remember, use vegetable oil. Let's get our onions translucent here. You don't want them burnt. You don't want them either brown. You just want them white because they're gonna keep cooking on our rice cooker. I already have my rice cooker on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pour our rice. The reason why I do this quick process, which it only takes about 2 minutes, very simple, is to make the rice become more fluffier. And what you want to see on your rice is to become pretty much clear. Okay? Make sure you keep the temperature medium high. Move it around and around and around. Real quick. You see how it's changing from white to translucent? That's beautiful and that's perfect because your rice is gonna be really, really fluffy. Now, really quick, what we're gonna add to our rice right now is gonna be some chili powder, just a little bit, garlic powder, onion powder, no salt. Don't add any type of salt because I'm gonna show you what I put in it so it gives them that flavor. This is done. We're gonna transfer this into our rice cooker. We're gonna put our rice in here. Add some water. All we need is a little bit of water above the rice, right here. Let me put this in a side. And this is what I'm talking about. This is magic. It's called Mi Arroz from Knorr. You find these products in Walmart. And what you're gonna use for this is gonna be half a package. Just put them in there. Mix, mix, mix. See the color? That's awesome. Put your lid on it. Put it to cook and let it do the work. So we're gonna start with the fish. We're gonna start, first of all, seasoning the fish. Very simple. Salt. We're gonna use fresh pepper, garlic powder. We already have our pan going. We're gonna use this time olive oil, just a little bit. We don't need that much. It's very simple and quick. Look at this, how pretty. Can you hear that? We only need about 3 minutes each side. This is already smelling so good. Look at that, how beautiful the brown color. See that? It's changing colors already. No color, no flavor. So you make sure you get some color in your fish. Look at this. This is done, so we're gonna let it rest right here. And we're gonna get our frijoles, our beans going. Let's get our pan right here. Let's put them in medium to get them going. We're only going to use for this recipe vegetable oil, not olive oil, because it will change the flavor. Let's just put oil. Remember, we have a little bit left from our garlic and the onions that we previously chopped. We're gonna put some of that into our oil. I will say a teaspoon of it or a half a teaspoon. Get them going. Lower it a little bit. For your beans, you need the liquid, so that'll help you, you know, do your refried beans. Now we need to season our beans. We're gonna use some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and we're gonna start smashing. Very simple. There we go. The liquid is very important. That's what's gonna help you to get that perfect refried bean. Look at this. See the bottom? How you scrape them and it's clean, totally clean, the bottom of your pan. They're almost done. It's getting all clumpy. That means they're done. So we're just gonna put them in a side. Me, myself, I just put a little bit of oil in them. And we're gonna go ahead and put them in the comal. My style of comal. Sorry for all the Mexicans out there if I'm not using the real thing, but it's very similar. These are just regular corn tortillas. Don't use flour tortillas, use corn. That is going to give you the flavor. So let's go ahead and turn them around. See how they're getting dark in here? That's what it's going to give the flavor. Remember, no color, no flavor. You just move them around. Look at them, flip it one more time. This brown color is what is going to give you that flavor of the tortilla. There we go. Our tortillas are ready. Time to eat and taste everything. So let's get everything ready and have it ready for you guys because you asked for it.
What a beautiful, beautiful dinner. Look at this, guys. This is awesome. This is impressive.
Let me tell you something. Who said that you can have a gourmet dinner with your family? That you can make in 30 minutes, 35 the max.
And this is Mexican gourmet, guys.
Yes, it is.
Awesome. Well, guys, it's time to give it a good try and see what happens. Okay, let's go for it because I'm dying to go for it. The smell is incredible and my mouth is watering. It's crazy, guys. So.
And this is dedicated for all of you guys that have asked for it. All the fishermen, all the fisher girls, and whoever requested the fish tacos. Here it is. But I took it to the next level with the awesome tomato rice, with the refried beans and fresh cheese.
It's a big taco, guys.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
That looks beautiful.
Wow.
How is it?
All I can say, guys, is delicious, man. Wow, this is awesome. I mean, this thing is good, guys.
To all the Mexicans out there, to my Mexican family, because I do have Mexican family too. So let's give it a try. This is real good. Try the rice. The tomato rice.
Oh wow. That is full of flavor, guys. This is a nice, good rice.
What a beautiful fact.
Wow.
I mean, it's nice, right?
That's awesome.
Simple, quick, and fun.
Awesome, awesome. Okay guys, I hope you like it. If you like it, hit me with a like. Whatever you have to say, man, speak your mind down there in the comments. I mean, if you're new in the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to put videos pretty much every week for you guys with recipes, fishing, hunting, pretty much everything that we do down here. So please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button, and let me know how it did, man. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Love you.